The Wise Little Quail, a Jataka tale. Once upon a time, in the deep forest of India, a large flock of quails lived happily together. Every morning, they flew to the fields to peck at grains and returned at sunset to sleep among the trees. But trouble soon came. A fowler, a bird catcher, discovered the quails. Each day, he came with his net and captured many birds. The quails were helpless and frightened. One day, the wisest of them, an old quail with bright eyes, gathered the flock. "Dear friends," he said, "we must work together or we will be taken one by one. I have a plan. Tomorrow, when a fowler casts his net, do not panic. Stay calm. Each of you must slip your head through the holes in the net, and then, together, we will fly away carrying the net with us." The next day, the fowler came. He spread his net, and the quails pecked at the ground as if nothing was wrong. Suddenly, whoosh, the net fell over. "Now," cried the wise quail. All at once, the quails flapped their wings and rose into the sky, lifting the net with them. The fowler chased and stumbled, but the birds flew far away and dropped the net on a thorny bush. Then they escaped to safety. This continued for many days. Each time the fowler came, the quails worked together and flew away with the net. But one morning, the quails quarreled. "You stepped on my wing," one shouted. "Well, you pushed me first," yelled another. The wise quail warned them, "Do not fight. If we are divided, we will fall." But the quails did not listen. That very day, when a fowler threw his net, the quails were too busy arguing to lift it. They struggled and flapped, but without unity, they could not rise. The fowler caught them all easily and carried them away in a basket. Only the wise quail, who had not joined the quarrel, flew away alone and sadly said, "Those who live in harmony escape danger, but those who quarrel fall into it." Moral: unity is strength. Quarreling leads to downfall.